background. Please forgive me. Forgive me. I miss you all. I want to tell you from the bottom of my heart, I miss you all. Hi besties, how you doing? So guys, I am back again. But this time around, I want to do consistency. I know I'm not consistent with this vlogging thing.
honey.
Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. I think the city with the top down. Oh, there's no tomorrow, we ain't living right now. So let's not waste another day. From 2 to season, oh, let's take a ride through the city with the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.